This is the future.
Hi guys, I'm going to go through the 4-hour RSI Sniper Strategy, and all it is a 71, okay, FIBS 71 strategy, basically the pullback to the 71 area, okay, and basically waiting for certain things to happen with the RSI, and then jumping on the Sniper Pro to get the alpha confirmation. But I'm just going to go through now what we used to do on the 71, what we still do, people do, is 71 set and forget. Okay, so just for instance, if you come here, come to the chart now on the 4-hour time frame, okay, and then we get a breaker structure. Okay, let me just put this one, we've got a breaker structure here. All right, so I'm happy with breaker structure, and then we've got the start pulling back. So what you can do, again, we used to put in a alarm here, and then when I hit the alarm, then you would then pull out your FIBS, and then you would go from the low to the high. All right, let me just push that a bit more. Okay, and then roughly when it hits the 382 or the 50, which I'm just going to show you now, just got it into there, and then you would then put in your long on the 71, all right, and then you would put it 2 to 1, and then you would then wait for it to come back and then hit and then go up and then get your take profit. Right, so that's what we used to do, okay, and it works perfectly on the 4-hour. All right, so what I'm going to show you now is another one that we're using the RSI and Sniper Pro, okay, mixed. Right, so just bear with me, I'm going to get set up. Hi guys, so I'm back. I've just showed you the 71 FIBS set and forget, and that was on the 4-hour, but I now want to show you the 4-hour RSI Sniper Pro strategy that I'm doing. All right, again, yes, it's on the 4-hour, it's higher time frame, there's less trades, but it's less stress, and you've got plenty of time to get it set when the alarms go off. Okay, and it's ideal for people that are busy like myself. I don't have to sit the sessions waiting for certain trades to come in and then trying to force trades. I don't want to do that. I just want to let the trade tell me what it's going to do, and I think the 4-hour for me is perfect, and it will be for certain people. Some people won't do it because there's not that many trades, but it works for me perfect. So okay, so I'm going to quickly go through what happens. First thing you do, okay guys, we need to set the alarm for the RSI, buy and sell, okay, and that is it. That's what you do. So you do that on a Sunday, or do that whenever you want to get ready for trading. Okay, you set them. I do it on a Sunday night. I rejiggle mine, clear all my charts, make sure I've journaled all my chart trades, and then I clear all my charts and start again on Sunday. So here's one here. Okay, I'm going to show you now. So right, okay, so you've done the alarms have been set for buy and sell. When the alarm goes off and it's triggered, you need to ask a couple of things. Okay, you need to ask, is it in the same as the trend? Okay, so we've got a red RSI here, and are we in a downtrend on the Sniper Pro? So all we need to do is go across the Sniper Pro quickly and have a look. Okay, and we go to Sniper Pro and we're not. So that's it. We forget that RSI. Forget it. Not an interest. Okay, that's it. Let it run. So on to the next one. That's it, simple for that one. Okay, when the alarm goes off, I'm doing a bit too fast there. When the alarm goes off now, okay, again, you need to ask, are we in a downtrend, sorry, an uptrend on the RSI, on the Sniper Pro, on the same as the RSI? We go to Sniper Pro. Yes, we are. Good. Next thing we ask ourselves, are we in a smart money area? Okay, well, a quick look. Okay, we broke structure there, just. We put the FIBS out from the low to to the high. 50. Now my area for this is between the 50 and the 71, and it pushed past the 71. Okay, perfect. Yes, we're in a smart money area. We're in the FIBS 71 area. Perfect. We broke structure. We're in the FIBS 71 area. Then you ask, okay, has the RSI crossed the 55 EMA? Now this is the 55 EMA. Let me show you on Sniper Pro. This is the 55 EMA. Okay, this line here. Okay, this is the 55 EMA. Up, if it's going up, we need to close above it. If we're going down, we need to close below it. Okay, now this is above it and it's in the middle, or just on the bottom of it, but it's above the line. I'm happy. That's what you were looking for. You're looking for that, or more central, or that, as long as it doesn't go past it or it closes below it. You want it to be definitely close above it. Okay, but when you journal it, you'll see which ones work, which ones don't. Okay, so always journal your trades. Okay, that's that confirmation sorted. Okay, so we've closed above. Perfect. Then we need to ask ourselves, Sniper Pro. A couple of things on Sniper Pro. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump across to Sniper Pro now and show you. We've got the confirmation for up to that point for trading view, but now we jump across Sniper Pro and a quick check of Sniper Pro. It doesn't take long to do this, by the way. Okay, but because you're on the 4-hour trade, on the 4-hour time frame, it's a little bit easier because you've got a bit of time to play around with. Okay, so first thing we need to do, we need to see if it's in the band. Now this band here, these two lines here, and then it fills up as it goes along, right? It starts filling up, but at the time they're just basically two lines. Okay, you actually got three. You got the inner line, then you got another inner line, and you got the outer line. You want it in between the two lines out here, the two outer lines, not the inner line. So this is hit. Yes, perfect. Then you need to look at it and go, right, is the arrow blue? No. Okay, if you look here, the arrow is actually red. So straight away, no trade. Because what you want is you want all blue. Arrow blue, candle blue, the sniper later blue, and the line blue. No. Okay, then we wait for the next one. Okay, the next one, is it blue? So the arrow's blue, the candle's blue, the sniper later's blue, and the line's blue. Perfect. That is my entry. Okay, there. Now I'll show you what I do now, because I don't go for a 2-to-1 on this. Okay, as you can see here, I've gone a bit further up because this one didn't qualify. I've then gone to the next candle. Now it depends how big this candle is. You either decide to go for it or not go for it, but I wouldn't do a 2-to-1. I'd go for a 1-to-1. I just want to show you what I did. Right, so when it closed again, I decided to go for a 1-to-1. Okay, and it worked out. Okay, I would like it on here. Now even if I put a trade on here, it would have still worked out, because I would have gone, if I did get in there, and I would cover see the fair value gap, the candle there to this candle, bit of fair value gap. I would have covered that fair value gap with a bit of padding, and then I would have probably gone for a 2-to-1 as I would have, and I'd still be about the same. All right, but because it didn't close, so because that didn't line up with Sniper Pro, this one did, then I jumped in. If this one didn't line up, I wouldn't have touched this trade, and as you can see, it won. Okay, perfect. So just to recap, which I'll go through again, this trade here in a minute. So RSI, same trade, same trend is what we're looking for. Okay, we're looking for an up because we just checked it. Yes. Okay, then smart money area. Yes, we checked the FIBS and it came in a smart money area. Okay, and even filled a bit of there's a fair value gap there as well. Okay. Oh, okay, so it touched filled the fair value gap here and then went off as well. All right, smart money area. Did it pull back to the FIBS? Yes. Okay. RSI candle closed above, okay, or below. It closed above because we're going for a buy. Okay. Sniper Pro, did it hit the band? Yes. did all the colours the same. Now we wasn't on this one, but it was on the next one, and we decided to take it, and we got it. Okay, always demo your trades, guys, so you'll know. Okay, right, let me show you this other one. Okay, I'm going to stop it there. Alarm went off again, so just fact, I'm going to do it again now here. Again, now because we had this trade out already, we know it's uptrend, but you can always check it again to make sure that it hasn't shifted. Okay, because you can check Sniper Pro. So if you got this candle, this is another RSI Alert again, you go back to Sniper Pro and check it. Right, so you would check it and it would come back. No, it's not. But anyway, it's not. So that's cool. Next one, we carry on. Oh, 2 seconds. I need to rewind this back. Okay. Okay, so we're going to show you this one now. Alarm goes off. First thing you do is you go, is it in the same RSI and the same trend? Well, we know it's going up. We just quick check it. Yes, it is. Done. That's it. Done. Is it a smart money area? Well, let's check smart money area. You've got a bank. You've got a fair value gap here. So yes, and you've got, if you put the fibs out, which as well. Does it pull back to the fibs as it broke structure? Yes. Fibs out from the bottom to the top. It's with the 70 area, 50 to 70. Yes, that's good. Has the candle closed above the 55 EMA? It's bang on. No, it's like just below center. Happy with that. Then you jump over to Sniper Pro quickly. Whoosh. Sniper Pro. Okay. And then you go across here. That was at 9. That was on the 9 o'clock on June. 9 o'clock on June 19th. 9 o'clock. Yep. Okay. So 9 o'clock. Do we have a blue candle? Yes. Do we have a blue arrow? Yes. Do we have a blue sniper dotted line? Yes. Do we have a blue line? Yes. Bang on. Whack. And also, as confirmation, you've got one of these little boxes here. Okay. So they're always lined up. Good. Our trade is, as you can see, the 55 EMA lines up with the trading view as well. Bang on, just below center. Just below center. We're gonna quick put your buy on here. Market execution, and then you win. And it went off even further. Okay, so that's it. Simple. How easy is that? Demo your trade, guys. Just demo. If you don't, then demo your trade and journal. You'll see which works for you. Okay, I'm doing my 25 trades and I'm doing really well on it, and on certain things that don't work. I found out that if it just closes just below, don't take it. I did one on gold the other day. It just closed just on it or just below it. It didn't close above it, and then it went up a bit and then dropped. So for me, it has to be either in the center or it has to be like covering it but close above or below the 55 EMA. Okay, so just to recap, you just want to know the trend. Okay, you can look at the trend if you want beforehand and then mark all your charts up. There's no need. You just put the pairs you want to better trade, mark them up as RSI up and down. When alarm goes off, you just confirmation, is it the same trend? Yes. Is it a smart money area, fair value gap, or banker's candle? Check that. If it is, then obviously you can pull your fibs out. Is it breaking structure? Is it in a fib area? Get the confirmations first. Is the RSI candle close above or below? Okay. If it is and all they lined up, okay, jump across to the Sniper Pro and then check. First thing, is it in the band? Yes. Is it in the outer band? Yes. Perfect. Okay. Is the candle the same color? Is the arrow the same color? Is the sniper later, the dotted line same color? And is the line same color? If they all answer yes, enter on that candle. Okay. If it is the next candle after the RSI, go for a 1-to-1. If it's a big candle, don't bother going. Don't bother touching it. Or you could all just go for the high and get a couple of pips out of it. But like I said, demo, journal, and then you'll see. Just want to let you know, guys, this is not financial advice, okay? This is just education of what I'm doing and how I'm trading. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks very much. Take care. Bye.
This is the future.